Hi guys, it's me Aslam and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Wi-Fi Smart AC remote control for your Lloyd AC. First, you have to go to Google Play Store and download the application called Lloyd Smart AC Remote Control. After downloading this application, you need to sign up and create an account. After logging in, select the add device option, and after that you need to select the model number of your air conditioner. You can see the model number of your air conditioner on the left side of your indoor unit. In my case, the model number is LS135DAW. So LS135DAW, I need to select it. You will hear 2 beeps if the device was successfully reset. After this, confirm the reset and enter your Wi-Fi password. The device will then be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once the device is connected, you will be able to see it in the home screen. You can control the horizontal and vertical swing, the temperature, and you can also set timer from this application. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Take care.